Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for gold for Tuesday, October the 27th. Well, the market has continued in the first time frame downtrend since the breakout from the symmetrical triangle that we identified over the last few days. And we have a candle with a lower high and a lower low, which means that the market is still in the first time frame downtrend. But we've had a dramatic reduction in the size of the body of the candle. So that's telling us that the sellers have made, even though they've made net bearish progress on the day, it's certainly been a lot smaller than the sellers made on the previous day. So that's raising some doubt about the strength of this first time frame downtrend that the market's in. There was downside price rejection though from this the highs as the market tried to trade up through there, and the market's closed between the midpoint level and the low, which tells us that the sellers have still closed the market with control, very weak control though, and they showed some commitment, but fairly weak commitment to taking this market lower, but still they have shown some commitment. Now, the market is continuing to trade down towards the flat Kijun-sen, and we identified previously that when the Kijun-sen turns flat, it tends to be an attractor of price action. So the market is trading down to there. It's continued to trade down to there. The small body on this candle raises doubt about whether the market will continue to trend down. So we need to keep an eye on the highs and lows of the current candle over the next few days. Look for a potential reversal of the trend to the upside with a higher high and a higher low, or a continuation of the trend with a lower high and a lower low. Now, just looking at the this blue dotted line here that we've put on the chart, that's actually the potential target for the breakout from the congestion area or from the symmetrical triangle that we identified, and it's basically the width of the triangle projected down from the breakout point. So I've moved that line just to the left-hand side a bit because I wanted to see this candle where the market broke out from. But it lines up with roughly around this 1020 level, and that coincides with this area of fairly strong downside price rejection. When the market was trying to trade up to this area, it's a very strong area of resistance where we had a lot of selling pressure coming in. So we might expect to find potential support around that area if the market does continue to trade down, and if the market doesn't find support at the Kijun-sen, which is at roughly about 1028. So there is potential for strong support at the 1020 level. If the market trades down below there, then we have the round number 1000 level, and then just below that, around 995, we have the Kumo or the cloud, which will hold as an area of potential support, and anywhere through the Kumo all the way to the bottom of it is a potential area of support. So for the next day or so, as with most of the markets we've been looking at today, we need to watch the high for a potential reversal with a higher high and a higher low in the next candle, or a potential continuation of the downtrend with a lower high and a lower low.